Hey you, surrender!
No! I won't surrender! Roar! Chung, chung, chung! Wah, ha, 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 ha. Wah! Pew, 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 pew! Wah!
Hi guys, welcome to Brick Smart YouTube channel. Today I'm going to use English in this video, but my English is still bad, so forgive me, okay? As you can see beside me, there is a Lego set here. That means I will unboxing this Lego set. This is a June new release Lego set. It is 71753 LEGO NINJAGO Final Dragon Attack. Inside this Lego set, there are 563 pieces and it is suitable for kids age over 8. This is a fire dragons and inside there are 4 minifigures, which is Nya, Zane, and Wyplash. This is a fire dragon, so it might be the main character in this set, I think. And this is featured from Season 1 Ninjago. If you are the fans of Ninjago, you should know that Ninjago has a TV series. This set is so attractive, so I'm going to unbox it now and I will explain the detail later, so see you later. Welcome back, guys! I already done unboxing this Lego set, and here is the fire dragon of Kai, and there's 4 minifigures here, and one of the minifigures is this Golden Nya, because Ninjago is having 10 anniversaries. Each of the set might have one golden ninja. This is the dragon. There's some stickers on the dragon body. Yeah. The mouth is can open. There's a seat on there. On the neck or the elbow of the dragon. And the neck can be opened up. Yeah. Like that. This is the wing. The wing can turn. There's a hinge here, can turn the wing. Then this is the wing, can open up and close it. Can open up and close it again. Yeah. And these are the stickers. And the wing is made of clothes. There's some hole there, and the pattern is a fire pattern. It's very nice. And the leg here, there's some fingers here and small fingers here. Yeah. This is the tail. The tail is movable. Yeah, very movable, smooth. And there's 2 blades in the end of the dragon tail. This is the overall of the dragon. It's very handsome. You can see the face. Whoa, so nice. If you like this video, please help us to like and share, and the most important thing is subscribe our Brick Smart YouTube channels and smash the bell button so you can receive the notifications once we upload a new video. If you are interested with this Lego set, you may purchase in Brick Smart website. I already put the purchase link in the description area, so you just need to click in and put in cart. Inside our website also have many of June new release. If you are also interested with those Lego set, you also can put in cart and check out it together. Oh yeah, and don't forget to register members so you can get a better deal. See you in the next video. Bye bye.